Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to move shop to right in Dota 2 so you can customize your HUD the way you like it. Step 1. Moving the shop button to the right in Dota 2 is really simple. First, make sure you're on the main menu, then click the Settings button in the top left corner of the screen. Step 2. After that, go to the Minimap tab. Here, you'll find different layout settings for your HUD, including the minimap and shop position. Step 3. Look for the section called Map Position. This setting lets you decide whether your minimap appears on the left or right side of the screen. Step 4. To move the shop to the right side, you'll need to set the minimap to the left. Once you do that, the shop button will automatically switch over to the right. This setup can help if you're left-handed or just prefer the shop to be more accessible on that side. It's all about making your interface work best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more quick and easy Dota 2 tutorials.